Thank you for joining me for this special announcement. My name is Dan Abella, and I'm the director of the New York NLP Institute. The last 2 years have been really difficult for a lot of us. The pandemic has changed and upended our way of life. We've seen too many people die, too many people lose their jobs, too many people are uncertain of where their future lies. Now, as the Omicron begins to wane, many are considering not going back to their old ways. If there's one thing the pandemic has shown us is how precious life is. It's a gift, and how often we waste it on trivial pursuits. There's one thing the pandemic has shown us is that we really need to grab life and move forward. And many people have done that. Many are deciding right now, people like you, not to return to their old jobs or their old ways, but to move on, to take a chance on those special things they always wanted to do, their values, their projects, their dreams. They're taking a chance. What they need is a blueprint. They may have the courage, but where's the direction? Where's the blueprint? Many of them are seeking them in jobs, videos, and books. And these can provide some sort of direction. But in general, there's no better blueprint than a live experiential workshop. This is why I've created one of my many workshops. It's called the NLP Bootcamp, which will take place March 27th in New York City. The goal of the boot camp is for those who want to take life to their next level. Don't wait anymore. Is to begin to align your values with your goals. To begin to understand how people communicate. To begin to understand that your life is not something that happens to you, but that you can create and design. Hey, more people spend more time designing their apartment than designing their lives. Isn't that something? So don't waste any more time. Take your step forward and start designing your lives today. Join me March 27th, Sunday, in New York City. The first 20 people who join will receive my book, The Theater of the Mind, which I wrote last year. In it, I go into details of some of the technologies that can help us deal with anxiety, with trauma. But in addition, the program that you will be joining involves creating a compelling future, building values, aligning values, creating a timeline. I guarantee you will feel better, more confident, and more powerful at the end of the program. Because this is an experiential program. I'm not just going to be giving you information, but you will be working with others in a safe environment to make this happen. So don't waste any more time. Take action today. Click on the link below. It will take you to the event page. I hope to see you. Bless, stay well, stay strong.